No air defense system on Earth is impenetrable, not because technology is weak, but because war is built to break systems. In the 2026 conflict, some of the most advanced air defense networks in the world still failed to stop everything. So the question is no longer, why did air defense fail? It's this: where do its limits begin? Modern air defense is not a weapon. It's a system, a chain of decisions, detection, tracking, interception. Break the chain, even briefly, and something gets through. Take Israel. A layered architecture. Arrow 3, exo-atmospheric interception. David's sling, mid-range and cruise threats. Iron Dome, short-range defense. Iron Beam, laser-based cost control. On paper, it looks complete. In reality, coverage is never perfect. Now, the Gulf, Patriot, THAAD, AN/T, PY2 radars, powerful systems. But the real difference is integration. One network versus multiple systems. And now, the real problem. The threat is no longer a missile. It's a designed attack. Ballistic missiles, precision strikes, loitering drones used together, coordinated, timed, engineered to break the system. So where does it fail? Not in capability, but under pressure, saturation, time, diversity, geometry, economics. A missile takes minutes. A decision takes seconds. A delay of 2 seconds can mean impact. This is not system failure. This is system saturation. The scientific reality is simple. No system has a 100% success rate. Every system has limits, and every system can be overwhelmed. So the question is no longer, can air defense be penetrated? It's this: how much pressure does it take? Stratos Warfare.